Have you ever looked at an employee and wondered, why was this so easy for them on one day, but so difficult for them on the next? Or perhaps you have an employee who needs constant support, while another seems completely self sufficient. Many leaders assume this is an issue of attitude or effort or personality, but often they're diagnosing the wrong problem. I'm Renée Safrata, and in the last video, we talked about the importance of clearly defining a task and what success looks like. Because before you can develop people effectively, you need clarity around the work itself. But once the task is clear, a new question emerges. Where is this person today? And that's where competence and motivation come in. One of the biggest mistakes that leaders make is treating performance as if it's a single issue. It's not. Performance is made up of two very different things, competence and motivation. And both are task specific. A person can be highly competent in one area and completely inexperienced in another. They can be highly motivated on one project and completely disengaged on another. That's why great leaders don't ask, is this a good employee? They ask, what is this employee's competence and motivation level based on the specific task that they're dealing with? Take Drew, for example. Drew manages a strong project coordinator. When it comes to organizing schedules and managing timelines, the employee absolutely excels. Work is accurate, deadlines are met, very little supervision is needed. But when Drew asks the same employee to lead a stakeholder meeting, everything changes. Confidence drops, communication becomes hesitant, and the employee starts looking for direction at every step of the way. Drew initially thinks this employee is struggling, but the issue isn't performance. The issue is that the employee's competence level is different on this particular task. At Vivo Team, we encourage leaders to assess competence and motivation. Competence is the ability to consistently produce the desired result on the specific task. It includes technical skills, job knowledge, and the ability to effectively work with others. While motivation is different. Motivation is about a person's willingness to keep going despite setbacks. It shows up through interest, risk-taking, and responsibility, and accountability. The key is that both are task-specific. So before deciding how to lead someone, ask yourself, how competent are they at this task? And how motivated are they at this task? Because those answers determine what kind of support they actually need. When leaders fail to diagnose competence and motivation accurately, they often provide the wrong support. They micromanage capable people. They delegate too quickly to inexperienced people. They mistake low competence for low motivation and low motivation for low competence. And performance suffers. Not because people can't succeed, but because the leader misdiagnosed the problem. Great leadership starts with understanding where people are today. But once you've identified a gap in competence or motivation, you still need to have a conversation about it. And that's where we'll go next. If you're a leader who wants to bring out the best in your people, download Vivo Team's leadership guide, A Taste of Genius, in the link below. Because if you invest in your people, the results will follow.